Let's talk about the best tools for automation of financial reporting. Let's get into details of it, and let's add a few more tools for you to explore on an ongoing basis. Now, when we say we need tools for automation, this automation is critical and vital for the modern business. Traditionally, financial reporting has been prone to manual errors, and automation is trying to reduce errors and make it more efficient. These technological tools automate financial reporting, increases efficiency, accuracy, and reliability. The first on the list is Tableau, widely recognized tool for data visualization and business intelligence. It offers robust features for financial reporting automation, creates interactive dashboards, and reports with real-time data. Remember, this is connected to various data sources. So you can take data from a Microsoft Excel, you can take data from a comma-separated value file, you can download the data from a Microsoft Data Access, a very old software. But again, the data is easily available. You can connect it using a SQL language or like an SQL. So any database which has data can be connected to Tableau, and data can be imported into Tableau. The benefits: it provides you an intuitive interface, powerful analytic capabilities, drag and drop functionalities, and easy customization. Remember, Tableau will not help you do accounting, right? Tableau is not an accounting software. Tableau is more of a visualization software. It's more of a business intelligence and data analytics software. So it will help you present the data into a bit more better format, visual appeal to the data, and help you draw actionable insights from the data. It manages big data and processes and visualizes it for the user. Simplify data handling, spot trends quickly, and detect anomalies. Using Tableau, you can design some really powerful dashboards. Remember our discussion on CFO dashboards? A CFO dashboard, for that matter, can be designed using a Tableau. It therefore enables stakeholders to explore the data and gain deeper insights. These are tools which help you provide insights into data. And when we say insights, actionable insights, where a company can take some informed decisions based on the data. So Tableau doesn't help you do accounting, but it is part of this automation software because it helps you draw data, and from that data, withdraw or extract useful information, patterns, which can be used to design strategies. The next on the list is QuickBooks. QuickBooks is accounting. QuickBooks is one of the most popular accounting softwares with automation features across the globe. It will simplify the process of generating financial statements. So QuickBooks is exactly where accounting is the forte. All the transactions can be recorded, accounted, and quickly you can generate an income statement, balance sheet, and cash flow using QuickBooks. It automatically tracks and categorizes financial transactions, customizable reports based on specific business needs. Apart from standard financial statements, you can also design or extract a lot of reports for management purposes. This can act, therefore, as an MIS for businesses, especially for small businesses. QuickBooks is a very, very handy tool. QuickBooks integration with other tools also enables seamless data transfer and report generation. Maybe sometime down the future, you want a much better and a much larger software with additional functionalities like an SAP, like a Salesforce, like an Oracle product or an IBM product. QuickBooks can easily be integrated and the data can be transformed to those tools as well. It's a user-friendly tool with a very, very user-friendly interface for all accounting levels. Remember, a software is good if it is easy for the user to use, right? Without a lot of training, if the user can use the software and get accustomed to the software, it has done a good job. It's a ready-made report templates which are available in QuickBooks, and therefore seamless data integration becomes easy. As I said, QuickBooks is good for accounting. QuickBooks is good to generate reports. It can act as a management information system, especially for a lot of SME businesses. The third on the list is Xero. Xero is akin to QuickBooks and automates financial reporting. So Xero is all about, again, accounting. It can automate a lot of reporting activities. It streamlines tasks such as bank reconciliation. You need to reconcile your bank statement with the transactions that the company is doing, invoicing, and expense tracking. How can we forget invoicing? Invoicing is one of the core tasks of a business. As soon as you onboard a client, you need to perhaps release an invoice. You finish the task, you want to release an invoice. As the invoice is paid up, you want to make a bank reconciliation as the money being presented in the bank or deposited in the bank. Xero can help you do this. User-friendly interface once again, and cloud-based connectivity. It's not as if QuickBooks is not cloud-based connectivity. It does offer you cloud-based features. A lot of these softwares nowadays offer you cloud connectivity. Extensive integration options again available for seamless data synchronization. Emphasizes on real-time data. And therefore, bank feeds integration minimizes manual entries. While using technology, while using a software, you don't want a lot of manual intervention. You want the software to do as much as you can. And that is exactly what Xero does it. So it's a choice between QuickBooks and Xero at times, which a user needs to take after exploring several parameters on which you want to evaluate the software or the technology. The fourth on the list is from the giant Microsoft. Microsoft offers a product called as Power BI. That BI stands for business intelligence. Microsoft BI again is not an accounting software. Let's make it really clear. Microsoft BI is again a data visualization, a business intelligence software. It is a business analytics tool for financial reporting automation and connects again to various data sources, which can help you craft interactive reports. It can therefore offer you dashboard capabilities. It can offer you report capabilities, report generation capabilities. Advanced data modeling capabilities transforms raw data into insights, and once again, actionable insights. Insights which can be used to take decision and informed decision. It automates data refresh for up-to-date reports. Let's say your database undergoes a change, right? Your database has seen additional data points being added to it. The reports will auto-update to incorporate those new data points under a Microsoft Power BI tool. It enables effective communication for financial information within organizations. Integrates with Microsoft's existing ecosystem, right? So it's a very seamless integration with Microsoft Excel, Microsoft PowerPoint, and Word, along with other Microsoft Suite products. Leverages existing data infrastructure from Microsoft, therefore. So if you are someone who is hinged on a Microsoft set of tools and softwares, this is a natural extension for a lot of clients. It offers natural language queries for instant insights. It can get very well integrated with Microsoft's own natural language tool, such as a Cortana. The next on the list is Workiva, cloud platform automating financial reporting and compliance. It simplifies document creation with collaboration and version control. Along with this, it integrates diverse data sources for accuracy. So one thing which is common across a lot of these products that we are talking here is their integration with multiple data sources. It makes them easy to use, and data could be transformed from one platform to the other platform almost seamlessly. It offers robust audit trails for transparent and traceable reports. You can actually check what changed from one document to the other document, who deleted a document, what was the new version of the document, who created this version. So you can do a lot of auditing related tasks with documents. It emphasizes again on real-time collaboration and data integrity, automating data linking, validation, audit trails, and compliance. Most of these softwares, therefore, will also maintain separate versions of the files just in case you want to go back to an older version. In conclusion, financial reporting and automation will enhance accuracy and efficiency. Tools such as Tableau, QuickBooks, Xero, Power BI, Workiva, a lot of them add to these benefits. Tools simplify the generation and analysis of financial reports. Automation supports informed decision making. So some of them are for accounting, some of them are for data analytics or business intelligence. Therefore, businesses should select tools which align with their goals, and obviously keeping in mind the cost associated with the tool. Leveraging automation optimizes financial processes and data potential for a lot of these businesses. Thank you.